Does my shirt look weird?
Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit the all notification button.
Today we're installing sound deadening in our bus called Beanie.
Woohoo!
This step is completely optional. Why did we go with sound deadening?
So the bus is loud. Makes sounds like every time we drive it. So we don't want to hear that. It's really loud when you drive it. It gets really annoying after a long time. So we wanted to sound deaden everything, make it really quiet when we're driving. It won't make it silent. It's impossible, but it will take away a lot of that extra noise. And we have a couple pieces that we're going to show you today that are going to help remediate that a little bit.
When looking at sound deadening materials, there are a lot of companies offer, but we went with Second Skin.
Second Skin!
Second Skin!
Pew, 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 pew!
The reason we went with Second Skin, there are a lot of different reasons, but the main one is that it's very good for the environment and for people. A lot of sound deadening materials use asphalt and other harmful materials in their sound deadening.
Yeah.
And Second Skin doesn't do that, so we felt that that was the best option, and we're really excited.
They sent us a bunch of stuff. We got the Damplifier, and that is their mat. They have a bunch of different types of sound deadening materials, but we went with the Damplifier, which is a mat that you can just stick on, so we'll show you exactly how we install it.
Yeah, we're really excited about this product and to have something that's good for the earth, good for our health, and will help eliminate our sound issue.
We can't wait to show you what we got!
Woo!
Zoom! Transition. It's the transition. And then the next video will be like,
wow!
We forgot to mention, Second Skin is proudly made in the USA. So,
Yeah.
Sustainably sourced, which is awesome.
And we know the health standards
Yeah.
are up to the USA,
healthy.
which is...
Healthy.
Good.
Healthy.
Alright.
Whoa!
Ooh. Whoa, this is awesome. Look at that.
Whoa!
It smells good.
It does smell really good.
Really? What does it smell like?
Silence.
Fun material.
Ooh, it's so smooth.
Really smooth.
So-
Look, they have their brand all over it. That's so cool. You can see.
Yep.
Light.
These Damplifier mats are made out of butyl, which is a very great sound deadening and
Are we doing it
sealing
long
material.
ways or across?
so we cleaned off our wheel wells.
They also provided us with smaller sizes, which is awesome, so we don't have to do much cutting. I think that they'll be relatively good, maybe folding them over, possibly cutting just a small section to fit the edges of our wheel wells. It's going to be awesome.
Look at it. It looks scrumptious, to say the least.
Yum!
Look at that.
Mmm.
Don't eat it, guys. Echoes. Exactly.
So we're doing this checkered pattern on our window deletes because for sound deadening you only need to cover about 60% of the area that you want cover. So we didn't want to waste our sheets by covering the whole thing. So we're going to cover 60% of the window delete, 60% of the lower walls that we have framed out here, and then 60% of the ceiling. We covered all the wheel wells because that's where the majority of the sound comes from. So we were okay with using our sheets to cover that.
We're trying out different styles. We decided that this is better than the checkered because we just didn't super enjoy it.
It looks cooler. Yeah, that's what's most important.
Yeah, the way it looks, because we're never gonna see it again. So on the ceiling, Matt and Gabby have been putting down one strip so far on each panel. And on the walls, Hallie and I have been doing these ones with the lips. There's 2 sheets right over each other, and then we're doing a checkered thing on the other ones. Nice. Whoa.
We did a half one for these skinny ones. If we have any extra, we're gonna put them.
We're cleaning down all of the surfaces that we're putting them on, but because we have an old bus and they use this like gross adhesive, it's not like that. Literally just came off.
Yeah.
It's not metal, obviously. It's weird adhesive, so we're gonna try our best to get it off.
But yeah, we don't want to put it over this stuff because it should be a clean surface. You want it to adhere to the metal, not the adhesive. Mm-hmm. So that's what we're trying to do now.
Nice.
I gave every time lapse like 4-minute dance, so you can see me real quick. It's an Easter egg in our time lapses. Yeah, it's been really easy to apply and roll on. Sticks really well, almost too well. You get it on the metal, you kind of have to leave it sometimes.
Comes with toys.
Jade, roll it.